Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can fix the camera block screen problem on your Windows, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how you can fix that. So if you use your camera and this only displays black screen, like you cannot fully access into it because this is in a black screen, then here's what we can do. First method, click on the start button and click on settings. On the left pane in the list of options, click on Privacy and Security, that's under Accessibility. Scroll down and you'll find App Permissions. Click on Camera. Now make sure that camera access, anyone using this device can choose if their apps have camera access when this is on. If this is switched off, then simply switch this button on. Let apps access your camera. Make sure that this button is on, especially for the applications that will use camera. You just have to simply switch the buttons on. So once this is ensured, simply close this window. Then, in the Windows search bar, type here camera. On the right pane, click on App Settings. Then, App Permissions, make sure that all of these buttons are switched on. Then, background app permissions, let this app run in the background. Make sure that you are not going to choose never. It's either always or all power optimized, which is the recommended, but just go with always. And then scroll down and you'll find repair. If this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. Click on repair. Once you have repaired camera, close this window and then try to see if the problem has been fixed. Now, if not, go back to the same window. Click on the start button and then type here camera. On the right pane, click on app settings. Then this time, we are going to simply scroll down, click on reset. If this app still isn't working right, reset it. That app's data will be deleted. Click on reset and then reset once again. Now once done, simply close this window and then just make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and then make a restart of your Windows. For the last method, right click at the start button. In the list of options, select Device Manager. Now here in the Device Manager window, click on Cameras. Right-click on your camera and then select Update Driver. Search automatically for drivers. You can also click on this Search for updated drivers on Windows Update. And this will also update your Windows. So once done, just make a right click again at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then make a restart of your Windows. And right after you have restarted your Windows, try to see if the problem has been fixed. Now in some cases that it is still not fixed, go back to the same Device Manager window, click on your cameras, right click, and then select Update Driver. This time, click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Then click on this and then select Next. Now Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Simply close this and then close this window and then just make a restart of your Windows again. So once you have restarted your Windows, then for sure your problem will be fixed. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.